Ladies and gentlemen, whether you like it or not.
Help me. I don't know where I am. I'm all alone in this big house. The walls aren't even finished.
The doctor.
I'm always saving the doctor! And she molested me.
Just so you know, is it recording?
Yeah, it is.
Just so you know, guys, I'm already gonna, you're gonna know this yourself, but we're gonna have a Hagen hiatus. It's gonna be a month or two without any Hagen reviews because I'm not confident in my ability to film and edit and have these all uploaded every 2 weeks because of me going back and forth to America.
On your face. Alright, that should be enough.
Your face.
Then your next one is
My one? I have
what?
more?
Looks to the side, oh fuck, runs off screen.
Oh, okay.
So yeah, another minion has just unleashed lions on you.
Lions, eh? Okay. 2. I think I found it. 2 switches Robot Hagen on. Aaron, I'll let you be inventive on where it is.
I'm not playing Chobits. It was always in the back of her neck in the tin.
Hagen from Taint grabs
the top,
minion
actually.
2.
Huh?
Hagen grabs minion 2.
And then I start being all seductive.
Then Hagen from Taint. Oh man, your black mask turns me on. You smell gorgeous. You're not pretty, but you're my kind of not pretty. I can smell your fuck.
Funk.
Oh, funk, and I want to bury my face in it. Then 2 says, what's going on? 1 says, she set on sex. We forgot to set her to review. 2, fix it, this is weird.
Throwing up against this.
Minion 1 presses a button. Hagen goes to review mode immediately. And then Hagen, review. That sounds like the striking end of a disappointing third part of a cult exploitation series. That will be very amusing if filmed right.
How am I?
That reminds me of Police Academy 7.
It's gotta be marathon, you mean? Okay. Nicola Line.
Nicola.
Oh, I need to walk in, don't I?
Think I found it.
You are gorgeous! Your black mask turns me on so much. You smell wonderful. You're not pretty, but you're my kind of not pretty. More hips! More hips!
What's going on?
I think she's stuck on sex!
Fix it! Fix it! Fix it! Fix it! Fix it! Fix it!
Review mode!
Review. That sounds like the striking end to a disappointing third part of a cult exploitation series. Get the fuck out of my way!
That's fucking occupied! Fuck off! What are you, deaf? Why are you covered in blood?
Why are you
I think I found it.
You are gorgeous! Your black mask turns me on so much. You smell wonderful.
What's going on?
I want you to dance! Sex! I want you to dance, monkey man. I'm gonna find your funk. And I'm gonna bury my face in it!
Fix it!
You're not pretty. You're my kind of review. That sounds like the striking end to a disappointing third act of a cult exploitation series. Get the fuck out of my way!
Are you okay?
How was that? Are one of those takes okay?
The only thing I'm concerned about is the position of the light.
Hello, everyone.
What's the time?
The time is 5 to 3.
We're doing this a lot sooner than I was expecting.
Okay, guys. you enjoyed this is for the Flubs. I hope you enjoyed the first episode of Hagen Season 5. I have bracers with like claws and shit. It was a present from my beautiful wife the day after we got married. We went to the Pennsylvania Renaissance Fair, which was very romantic. Although at some point we would like to get an actual honeymoon. Hi, Flubs!
Hi, Tyler.
This is insane.
Okay. What do you call it? That thing we do, Flubs. Do you want to grab a cuddly toy tiger and throw it at me as I run past?
You stole all my tigers.
On my shelf.
I think I found it.
You are gorgeous! Your black mask. You are not pretty, but you're my kind of not pretty.
What's going on?
I want to smell your funk. I want to bury my
Fix it,
face.
fix it, fix it, fix
That sounds like the striking third act of a disappointing third part of a cult exploitation series. Get the fuck out of my way! All I'm gonna do is the toilet stuff now, Colin.
What?
Screw the helicopter.
Go away!
Nobody wants you here, stupid flying machine.
Don't draw attention, Colin. There are two people standing here in balaclavas and a camera.
I got 4. I am
We
the
don't
Mandarin.
have a jihadi I don't have a jihadi flag up.
I am the
But
Mandarin.
we might be the IRA.
That way you look at it, this room does really look
I'm
like
a
the sort of room
prod.
you'd film that in, doesn't it?
You don't know, you might be up for just some senseless destruction.
Always.
Oh, come
So you're
on!
part of the rad then.
Go elsewhere!
I don't kill people.
Okay, 2 things. Czar, when you're talking about burying your face in his funk, go further south.
That is your sister!
Nicola, react!
Sounds like a cheesy sitcom.
Okay.
It's a ball!
Some days you can't get rid of a bomb.
Oh, careful. Oh, shit.
Okay, Ryder Hagen. Huh? What? Ah! I don't know where I'm going. Ah!
Rawr.
Alright, yeah.
Think I found it.
You are gorgeous. Your black mask. Oh, you are not. but
Can
you're
we start
my
again?
kind of- Why?
Because I'm in shot.
God damn it, Colin.
That was not intentional. What? Oh, what? No, that's not even...
What? Oh fuck! I did runs. You're slightly to the one side, Colin. Go towards the door. There you go.
What? Ah!
Harg.
There we go.
Okay.
Are you proud it took you 3 goes to do that?
It took 3 goes to do the other one too.
I had to throw the other one in there and smash it with a hammer.
Did it not work? Did the sound not work?
No, it was more of a thump.
Was this left here from the last time we filmed? Because I left a Pepsi here.
Yes.
Excellent.
Is
See?
this a note
It was a
from
fucking
the-
month away. A month! And they left it here for me. Haha! Get the fuck out of my way!
Are you okay?